Welcome back to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore, and you can see from the box here, right? So I've gone mad, or I've gone crazy. I think I need to go for therapy very soon, because at the rate I'm buying G-Shocks, especially all the G-Shock squares, I think very soon I'll be kicked out of the house. So let me just flip open the case here to see what I've got today. So this one here has model 3461, and this is a used watch, alright? I purchased this one from the original owner, and I think it has the older type of box here, which does not have the camouflage prints. So let me just flip open the tin can here to see what we've got. And here we go. Ta-da! Alright, so this is yet another Bluetooth square. Alright, so I've sort of completed the collection as of now, because when the first Bluetooth squares, when they were launched, there were 3 models. So it started off with this one. Okay, I got this one first. Okay, so ironically it's charging right now. Must have left it in the drawer for too long. And then I went on to buy this one, okay, which has the red accents, and surprisingly I'm enjoying this one quite a lot, because I think with the red accents here it really looks good. So I think it's time to add the final piece of puzzle to the collection, and this one is the third one with the gold accent, and I think even the crystal or the glass here is slightly tinted. And now with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the Bluetooth square with yellow or gold accents. Reference number for the watch is GW-B5600 BC-1DR. Alright, so this is one of the rarer type of color combinations, because I would assume most Bluetooth squares, they are in negative display format. I do have one which has the green accents, green and white accents. I think that one's called the Midnight Green collection or something, but this one here looks really cool with the tinted glass here. You can see that the glass here is tinted. I think the glass here is tinted yellow, and along with the positive display, I think this one looks quite different and very special, and I think I made the right choice in adding this to my collection. So the thing about this generation of Bluetooth squares is that it comes on a new design of composite bracelet. So this is plastic, of course. I think they've got a really nice name for it, composite or something like that. And this model here is much lighter than the first generation of bracelets. I think it's a good 20 grams lighter. So the overall package comes in at around 75 grams, I think. And here's a quick look at the wrist shot with the lens zoom out slightly, so you can see that it fits my wrist pretty well. I'm not such a big fan of the slight lug gap here. This is caused by this end piece, or the end link, which sort of protrudes too much. But overall the fit here is really good. It doesn't look cartoon or oversized when viewed from a distance. Okay, so normally wrist shots will make the watch look a little bit bigger, but I'm sure for G-Shock squares, most people would not run into this problem, because G-Shock squares, they fit almost all wrist sizes. So overall, very happy with this purchase here. Condition of this watch here is really good as well. Gotta thank the seller for staying true to his description in the advertisement. I normally don't physically view the watches that I buy, so usually I take a leap of faith, and in this case it turns out really well. The condition of the watch is fantastic. I would say it's almost brand new, so I'm not too sure if I'll do a full-length review. I normally don't do full-length reviews of my G-Shock purchases, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll do some comparison or listicle type of videos regarding my G-Shock squares. Alright, so see you soon. This is Andy in Singapore. Bye bye.